Hi students, this is Hana Yasmin here. Welcome to tuition. In this video we have to discuss about exercise 1.2 chapter number 1. Go to solve. Next exercise is exercise 1.2 problem number 1. Find the rank of the following matrices. First matrix is 2 row 2 column 2 matrices. So first one is 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. This is 2 row 2 column matrices. So the rank is less than or equal to 2 because this is 2 row having 2 row and 2 columns. So the rank is also less than or equal to 2. Then we can evaluate this matrix evaluated 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. So 4 minus 4 that is 0. So 0 is not equal to rank. If any rank is not in 0 value, so we can choose this 2 less than or equal to 2. So or is less than or equal to 2 or is equal to 1 because or less than 2 is 1. So rank is 1 for this formula, this matrices. Because we get evaluated value is 0. So 0 is not a rank value. So we can get the R is less than or equal to 2 from the 2 matrices value. So less than 2 is 1. So 1 is rank for this question. We have to move the second part. That is second one is minus 1 3 4 minus 7 3 minus 4. This is 3 row 2 column matrices. So 3 row comma 2 columns. So the rank is minimum value. Rank is less than or equal to 2. So first we have to evaluate any 4 matrices. First 4 3 4 minus 7. I take this one. So this is evaluated. Minus 1 into minus 7 is plus 7 minus 12. So 7 minus 12. Evaluated value is minus 5. Minus 5 is not equal to 0. So we can choose this r equal or less than or equal to 2 because minus 5 is not rank value because plus 5 is also take rank but minus 5 is not take it rank. So we can choose this r is less than or equal to 2. 2 less than value is 1. So this rank is also 1 or is equal to less than 1 வருது or less than or equal to. So or is also rank is also 2 if rank is 1 or else 2. This is the answer for second part. Then third part is given in question 1 minus 2 minus 1 0. This is the question. 3 minus 6 minus 3 1. So this is 2 row 1 2 3 4 columns. 2 row 4 columns matrices. 4 columns. Minimum number is 2. So R is less than or equal to 2. First we have to evaluate any 4 matrices. I take first this 1 minus 2 3 minus 6. This can be evaluated. Minus 6 minus of minus 6 because evaluated minus sign. Then minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. So minus 6 minus into minus is plus. So this is 0. So this is not equal to rank. So I can choose these two matrices, last two true matrices I take. That is -1 0, -3 1. This can be evaluated, then get any rank value. -1 into 1 is -1. 3 into 0 is 0. So 0. This is -1. -1 is not equal to rank because 1 plus 1 is also take. Plus value is take as a rank, but minus value is not take as a rank. So we can choose this equation, or is less than or equal to 2, because this is 2 row 4 column matrices. 2 row 4 column matrices, the minimum number is 2. I can choose or is less than or equal to 2. So or is less than or equal to 2, or is equal to 2. So rank is 2 for this question. So moving to fourth one. Fourth part is given in question. 1 minus 2 3, 2 4 minus 6, 5 1 minus 1. This is the question. So we have to find the rank for this. This is 3 row 3 column matrices. So this is 3 row comma 3 columns. So rank is less than or equal to 3. So first we can evaluate these values. I can choose this for evaluation. One into corresponding row and columns are get cancelled. -4 plus 6, because minus of minus is plus, so plus 6. -4 minus -6, that is plus 6. Then similarly -2, minus, here this sign is plus minus plus, so minus into minus is plus, so I take the plus 2 here. Plus 2 into corresponding row and columns are get cancelled. 2 into -1 is -2 minus 30. -2 minus of -30 here. Then last one is plus 3. Plus 3 into corresponding row and columns are get cancelled. Balance numbers are evaluated. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 20. 2 minus 20. I get 2 minus 20 here. So I can solve. -4 plus 6 plus 2. 2 plus 30, because minus into minus is plus, so plus here. Then plus 3 into minus 18 here. So this is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. This is 32. 32 into 2 is. So similarly the second number corresponding row and columns are get cancelled. Balance are evaluated. 2 into -1 is -2. I put -2 here, and minus of -30, that is plus 30, I put it here. So then third row, corresponding row and columns are get cancelled. Remainders are 3 into that is this 3 into 2 into 1 is 2 minus 20, I put here. Then we can minus all numbers. So first we get -4 plus 6, because minus into minus, that is plus, so plus here. Then minus into minus is plus 30, I put here. Then 20 minus 2 is minus 18, I put here. Then I evaluate these numbers, that is plus 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 2, I put here. Then 30 minus 2 is 28, I put here 28, plus 3 into minus 18. So I multiply this number and this number, that is 2 plus 56 minus 54. So we get 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4, but we have r is less than or equal to 3, that is rank is equal to less than 3. We get 4, so we can choose r is equal to rank equal to 3. I hope you all understand this problem. So second problem is find the rank for the following matrices by row reduction method. That is very simple. First problem is 1 1 1 3, 2 minus 1 3 4, 5 minus 1 7 11. So from this we have create these two numbers are 0. So we convert this R2 into R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. So we get 0 for here. That is the first step. Then second step, the R3 first 5 number is also convert into 0. So we are create R3 gives R3 minus 5R1. So we can get first row, put it itself, no changes in first row. In second row, R2 minus 2R1. We can multiply with 2 with R1 and minus 2 minus of R2. So for first one we get 0, second one minus 1 minus of 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 1 plus 2 we get minus 3, minus 1 into minus 2, so we get minus 3 here. Then 3 minus of 2, that is plus 1. Then similarly 4 minus 6 we get minus 2. Similarly row 3 R3 minus 5R1, R3 minus 5 into 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Then minus 1 into minus 5, that is minus 6 here. We get minus 6 here. Then 7 minus 5, that is 2. Then 11 minus 15, that is minus 4. So we can get these two numbers are 0, we can change. Then the second row non-zero number is minus 3. So from this we have to change this is into 0. So minus 6 we can change into 0. For this I can put first row same, second row is also same, but third row I can change something. I can get 0 for this number. For this I change R3. R3 gives R3 minus 2R2. So I can get 0 for this equation. 0 0 R3 minus 2R2. So 2 minus 2 is it's also 0 here. So 0. Then minus 4 into 2, that is minus 4 of here 1 minus and here 1 minus, so that is plus. So minus 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So I can here also 0, can get 0. So from this the non-zero rows are this and this. Non-zero rows, because this full numbers are present in 0. So we get 2 rows are non-zeros. So from the above, number of non-zero rows equal to 2. We get 2. So rank is also 2. This is the answer for this question. I hope you all understand. Move to next question. The second question having second part. It's also finding a rank using a row reduction method. This is also similar method. We can change these 3 numbers to 0. We can change. So I use R2 gives R2 minus 3 R1 for here, and similarly R3 gives R3 minus R1, because 1 minus 1 is 0. So R4, similarly R4 gives R4 minus R1. So from this equations I create zeros here. So first row put it as no change. Second row R2 minus 3 R1. So R2 minus 3, multiply of 3. So I can multiply this row with 3. R2 minus 1 into 3 is 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 for here, and minus 1 into 3 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7 here. Then 2 minus 3, already we have 1 minus, so 2 minus of minus 3, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. I get 5 for here. 5. Then similarly R3 minus R1, or directly minus. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Sorry, minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. 3 of minus 1 is 4, plus 4. So we get plus 4 here. Then similarly R4 minus R1. R4 is this, 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. 1 minus 1, that is minus of minus 1. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 here. So I get 0 this row, these numbers. Then the second row non-zero number is minus 7. So I create this is 1, because we get 0 here. This is a very big number, so I create this 1. So I change R2 gives R2 divided by minus 7. So we can change 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus of minus 7 divided by minus 7, that is plus 1. This is minus 5 by 7. Then third row is put similarly 4, 4, 0, minus 3, 2. This is not change. So from this second row 1, we can change this into 0, and this is also 0. We can change from 1. So R3 gives R3 plus 4 R2, because here 4 we can change this into 0. So 4 R2. 4 R2. Similarly, the fourth row is also minus 3. It's created to convert to 0. So R4 gives R4 plus 3 R2. So we get first row, it's not any changes. So I can put this as it is same. Second row is also not any changes. Third row is R3 plus 4 R2. R3 plus 4 R2. This is 0 into 0, it's anything 0. Minus 4 into plus 4, that is 0 here. Then 4 plus 4 R2, 4. So that is minus 20 divided by 7 plus 4. We can plus 4. So we get it's a number of corresponding 20 minus 20 plus 20, that is 8 by 7. That is minus 8 by 7, sorry, plus 8 by 7 here. Then this is also 0, this is also 0, because we can add it with plus 3. So that is 0 here, 0 here. So R4 row is also R4 plus 3 R2. So we can multiply this second row with 3. Multiply with 3. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So I can put 0 here. Then 2 plus minus 5 into 3 is 15. So sorry, minus 5 by 7 into 3. So minus 5 by 3, 5 by 7 into 3. That is minus 15 divided by 7 plus this 2, because 3 R2 plus R4. R4 value is 2. So I can put this 2 here. So we can cross multiplied. We get the value 7 minus 15 plus 14, that is minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7. I put minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 I put here. Then from this 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 5 by 7, 0, 0, 8 by 7, 0, 0 minus 1 by 7. So I create 0 here from this number. So I can change this into 1. So I create R3 gives R3 into 7. Similarly, this also get 1. So R4 gives R4 into 7. So I get 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 5 by 7, 0 0, this is here 8, and because multiply of this is 7s are cancelled, balance is 8, I put 8 here. Then 0 0 minus 1, 7 by 7, sorry, 7 by 7, 7 7 are cancelled, then I get this number. From this I create 0 here. For this I choose R3. R3 gives R3 divided by 8. Because this is create 1, we can change this 0 easily. So first I create this is like 8 like 1. I create 8 as a 1. For this I choose R3 gives R3 divided by 8. So I get 1 2 minus 1, 0 1 minus 5 by 7, 0 0 1, because this all R3 row is divided by 8. So I get this number for this row. Then 0 0 minus 1. So I create 0 here. So R4 gives R4 plus R3, that is 1 2 minus 1, 0 1 minus 5 by 7, then 0 0 1, R4 plus R3, 0 0 minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So 0 0 0. So the number of non-zero row are 2. These 2 rows are, sorry, these 3 rows are non-zero row. Non-zero rows, because the last row all numbers are 0, so we can choose only non-zero rows. So number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. So therefore the rank is also 3. I hope you all understand this problem. Go to next problem. So the third part is, given matrix is this, we have to find the rank for this by using row reduction method. Similarly, second problem. So first, given matrix R1 is very large number compared to R2, so I can interchange R1 and R3. So R3 is minus 1 2 3 minus 2. Second row is not changes, 4 3 minus 8 5 2. So from this first number is non-zero, so we can change this 2 into 0. So I put R2 gives R2 plus 2 R1. Similarly R3 gives R3 plus 3 R1. So from this equation I get minus 1 2 3 is not changed first row. The second row is R2 plus 2 R1. Multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. R2 is 2 into minus 2. 2 minus 2. That is 0 here. Minus 5 into 2. That is minus 5 plus 4. That is minus 1. Similarly, 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Sorry, 1 plus 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So I put 7 here. Similarly, 4 plus 2, that is 6. 4 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So that is 0, because we can add at this. 4 of minus 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 4, we get 0 here, not 6, 4 here. 4 minus 4 is 0 here. Similarly, R3 plus 3R1. So, this R1 is multiplied with 3. Then R3 plus 3R1. R3 plus 3R1 is 0 for here. Similarly, R3 minus 8 plus 6, that is minus 2 here. Similarly, 5 plus 3 into 3 is 9, that is 14 here. Similarly, R3 plus 3R1, that is R3 plus 3R1. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Minus 4 here. So we get this from this equation. R3 gives this number, we get 0. R3 gives, we can change this into 0. R3 gives R3 minus 2R1. Because this is 1, so we can get this as R3 minus 2R2. 2R2. So R3 only change. 2, 3 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 7, 0. Then R3 minus 2R1. R3 0 minus 2. Minus of minus is plus 2. 0 plus 2. So, R2. We change with R2. 2 into R2. R3 minus 2R2. So, R3 is 0 minus 0 is 0. So, R3 minus 2 minus of minus is plus. So, plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 14 minus 14, that is also 0. Because 7 into 2 is 14. 14 minus 14, that is 0. So 0 here. Then minus 4 into 0, that is minus 4. So minus 4 here. So the number of non-zero rows are 1, 2, 3. So number of non-zero rows is equal to 3. So therefore the rank is also equal to 3. I hope you all understand this problem. The third problem is find the inverse of each matrices by using Gauss-Jordan method. This is very easy one. Gauss-Jordan method having one A matrices and one identity. From this we have to easily find the A inverse value. So first we can put the given A matrices 2 minus 1 5 minus 2 and matrices I2 1 0 0 1. This is the I2 matrix, identity 2 matrices. So first we can get 1 for here because the identity is interchange here. We get 1 0 0 1 for this. So we can move this into 1. 2 is move into 1. So R1 gives R1 divided by 2. So we get 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Similarly, R2 we get this not 1, this is 0. So we get 0 here. first I put this same number, then second step is the 5 is interchanged into 0, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, then this 5 interchanged into 0, so R2 gives R2 minus 5R1, so I get 0 here, minus of 2 into 5 by 2, that is 1 by 2 here, minus 2 minus of 5 by 2, that is plus 5 by 2, so we get minus 2 minus 4 5, so 1 by 2, I get 1 by 2 here, so I put 1 by 2 here. Similarly 0 minus 5 into 1 by 2, that is minus 5 by 2, 0 minus 5R1, 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2, so we get 5 by 2 here, minus 5 by 2 here, then 1 minus 0 is 1, so from this we have create 0 here and create 1 for here, because the identity matrix is 1 0 0 1, we get this 1 0, but we can create this 0 and 1, so I choose first, this is convert into 1, so we can multiply with R2 into 2, so I get this is 1, so 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 0, 0, 1 by 2 2 into, that is 1, then minus 5, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiply 2. Then from this we can change this into 0. So I give R1 plus 1 by 2 R2. So I can get 1 minus 1 by 2 into, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Let's multiply with 1 by 2. So we get 0 here. Similarly, R1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus, minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, that is minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2 here. So I get minus 2 here. Then R1 plus 1 by R2, that is 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So I put 1 here. Second row is not any changes, so I put same. So we get the identity value and A value. This is the A inverse value. So we find the A inverse is equal to minus 2 1 minus 5 2. This is the answer for this question. I hope you all understand this problem. Go to next one. So the second problem, the second one is 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1, 6 minus 2 minus 3. This is also using Cauchy-Jordan method. This is we get one I matrix and I3 matrix. So I create this first. 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1, 6 minus 2 minus 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So from this I created this 1 0 0. So I create this first R2. This is 1. So I can choose the R2 and R3 values get 0 because this is our zeros. We can create this is like zeros. So this is already 1, so we can't interchange anything R1. So R2, I create R2, this is 0 and this is also 0 R3. R2 gives R2 minus R1. Similarly, R3 gives R3 minus 6R1. Then R1. 1 minus 1 0 1 0 0. It's not any change. In R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So plus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So I get 0. 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and 0. Third row, R3 minus 6R1. So we can multiply this row into 6. So R3 minus 6R1. R3 is 6 minus 6, that is 0. Similarly, minus 2 plus 6, that is minus 2. R3 minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. So we get plus 4 here. Plus 4. Similarly, minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3. Then we get minus 6 for here. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So we get this answer. From this we can interchange 0 1 0. This is 1. So we create this 0. So for this R1 gives R1 plus R2. Similarly, because this is minus 1, I want a plus 1 here. So similarly, R3 gives R3. I want to create 0 here and 0 here. For R1, R1 plus R2. This is create a 0 here. And similarly, R3 gives R3 plus minus 4R2. Because 4 minus 4, that is 0. So we choose minus 4R2. So R1 is interchanges with R2. R1 plus R2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then similarly 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. So I get 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0. Similarly, third row. Second row is not any changes. So 0 1 minus 1 plus 1 0. R3 minus 4 R2. So I can put 4, multiply with 4 R2. So R2 multiply with 4. R3 plus 0 is 0. So 4 minus 4, that is 0. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Then 6 minus 4. So minus of minus 4. So that is so this is minus 6. This is minus 3 plus 4, because here also one minus. So minus 3 minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So we get plus 1 here. Similarly, this is minus 6. Minus of minus is plus 4. So plus 4, we get minus 2 here. So we get minus 2 here. Similarly, 0 minus 4, that is minus 4 here. Then 1 minus 0, that is 1. So I put here. So we get this is 1 0 0 0 1 0. Then we have to change 0 0 1 here. So we can change first row. R1 gives R1 plus R3 here, and similarly R2 is also get 0 here. So R2 gives R2 plus R3. So we get the 1 first row is R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3. 1 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Sorry, minus 1. Here it is plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. So 0 here. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. 0 minus 0 plus 1, that is plus 1. Similarly, R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then minus 1 plus minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 4 is 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. So third row is not any changes, minus 4 plus 1. So from this we get the identity matrix. This is the A inverse value. So we have to find A inverse value. A inverse is equal to minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 3 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 1. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you all understand this problem. We have to move next one.